So I just got this box from Everymate Fitness. Inside is a leg extension and leg curl attachment for a standard squat rack. So in this video, I'm gonna open it up, get it installed, and test it out. Hey, my name's Mike Behrens, and I've been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years, and I've had a home gym for over a decade. And one thing that I've always paid attention to when getting home gym equipment is that it can be multi-purpose and can be stored away and is modular. And this leg curl attachment is going to be a great fit inside my home gym. So let's get it opened up and take a look. So full disclosure, I actually already opened this up, took all the plastic off and was recording the video, but then the battery died and it didn't save the video footage. So I had to start all the way over, but I'm not gonna put it back in the plastic, so just bear with me on this one. So first thing is the instructions, seated leg extension and curl attachment. It's gonna attach right here on the Rogue squat rack that I have. I have the Rogue Monster Light squat rack that folds away, that folds back. It's got the skinnier uprights. I think it's like a 2-inch upright instead of a 3-inch upright. So instructions, they sent some bolts to hold it on. There is some winged washers here. Inside the box is a resistance band. That'll be coming handy to add some extra resistance. There is a collar for the bar to hold the weights on. Then there is the bar attachment, so you can load the plates on here. Goes right through the piece I'm gonna show you in just a second. Then here's the leg pads. There's 2 leg pads that come. They're a little bit different. One has a little bit longer attachment, which I'll show you why in just a second when we get it installed. And then the last piece in the box is the main upright. This part swings here. This is where the hinge is for attaching to the upright of the squat rack. Now that I got everything unboxed for a second time, let's get it installed. First step is assemble the combination 1 to the rack, which is that last piece. You're gonna assemble this to the rack. There is a spot here on top. You're gonna put the bolt through it. The first time I did this in the lost footage, it was kind of a guessing game of where to put it, but now I have a much better idea of what is the right spot to put it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it down a little lower because I wanna be able to do leg curls with it. Put one there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the winged washers on the back of it. Definitely gonna have to get a wrench to tighten that down. And then there is another bolt. I'll bring it over here so you can see it a little better. Get a wrench to tighten it down. Now you take the pad with the shorter bolt on it and it goes right in here at the top. Take the washer off as well. That fastens right there at the top. Okay. And then the next leg has a little different head to it. Take that off. And I'm gonna kind of guess where to go down here. Same thing. Fasten the washer on the outside. Screw the bolt down. And we'll take the weight plate bar, fasten it on the opposite side. All right, I got it all installed and now it's time to test it out. Looks pretty slick. Pretty excited to have this. I can see one issue is it's not gonna be easy to take off and put back on. I wish there was like some quick release pins or something like that, but maybe I can order some extra ones to use for that to make it easier to get on and off. Let's give it a shot. Put the leg in there, just do it standing up to test it. Oh yeah, that works pretty good. I'm gonna have to sit down, try it. Try some leg curls too. See? Oh yeah, cool. Very cool. That works pretty slick. I'm gonna try putting some weight on it, see what that feels like. Some leg curls. There you go. Yeah. I don't have a bench that'll fit back here. So I'll try this box, see how this works. Oh yeah, that works pretty good. That's pretty awesome. I'm gonna have to invest in something different here, but that's pretty sweet. I don't feel like I need to be much wider. I mean, obviously it's a little narrow, but that's not a bad thing. Doesn't feel too bad. Feels pretty solid while I'm doing it. I'm tall. I don't really have extra long legs, just normal legs. I'm 6'5", so my legs might be a little longer than normal, but just to give you a frame of reference, works pretty well. But there's different slots here that you can put the bottom leg pad so you can adjust it to your height. Leg curls, you can stand in here for both. The right leg's obviously super easy to do. Left leg, plenty of room for that as well. This thing seems pretty awesome. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. Before I had this, I used to rig up some cables and do a pulley and try to do one of those little ankle attachments and do leg extensions and curls with that. But this is gonna be awesome to have in my gym. And it's one of those things too, you know, as you get older, your knees get tired, your knees get weak, but if you can work them out, you can lift some weights with them. Leg extensions for me have always been something that have helped my knees feel better. And so the less that I squat, because the older I am, I'm 42, the more that leg extensions will be nice to have as an added exercise that I can do easily now. But yeah, definitely changing this. So if you're doing a full workout in the gym, taking this on and off is gonna be a bit of a problem. You're gonna wanna have a wrench handy so that it's nice and tight, and then you can take it off if you need to. Let's just try to take it off and see how long it takes. Take the weight off. I should have done that first. Take that washer off. Nice thing is, once you get those two washers off, it should come off pretty easy. That was pretty easy to pull off there. And then you can just set it aside for whatever workout you want to do. And then putting it back on. Remember what holes you want. Let's go here. Line them up. Get your washers. Yep. And I don't know that a quick release pin would be a good idea here because you want to have it tight to the rack. So I don't know if that makes a lot of sense. So that'll be the one downside to this, is taking it on and off if you're trying to do quick workouts. But as you just saw, it was pretty easy to do. Just keep a wrench handy. All right, so that's it for my initial impression and installation of the Everymate Fitness leg curl and extension attachment for a squat rack. I'm genuinely excited about having this product at my house and being able to use it. It's super easy to use, a little bit of a hassle to set up and take down, but that's okay. It's an attachment, it's to be expected. It's not gonna be just ready to go every time you need to use it. So I'm looking forward to putting this to the test over the next few months and seeing how it works. I will definitely post some updated reviews on the product. If you want to give it a shot, I will leave my affiliate link in the description so that you can do that. And stay tuned to the channel for more tips on how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, that works pretty good. Cool.